Hey guys, and welcome to today's Wix tutorial. In this video I'll show you how to create a slider with autoplay on your Wix website. Now if this tutorial helps you out, please let me know by commenting something like it worked for me so that I know this tutorial is still up to date. Now let's get started. So first of all you're gonna go over to the editor, so editor.wix.com, and then you're gonna go over to the page and position where you'd like the slider to be. Now for me I'd like to position the slider between this section and this section. So what you're going to do is you're going to go over to Add Elements, then you're going to go over to Interactive, and you can then go over to the slideshow. Now you have full width slideshows, which is the whole page, and then a box slideshow, which is smaller. Both work the same, but for now I'll go with this one right here, and I'll put it in between these sections. And here is the slideshow. Now there's a few settings you can change, which first of all, and most important of all, is the Manage Slides, where you can duplicate slides, add a new slide, or remove them. You can also change the order in which they are visible on your website. And then the next setting is of course the change slide background. So you need to click on the slide, not on the text or the button, in order for these settings to pop up. You can change the color to simply one color instead of an image, or a fluid gradient, or just a simple gradient as you're probably more familiar with. And if you'd like an image, you can select it right here, and you also have the option to use videos. And then next up, you should go over to settings and make sure that autoplay on loading is enabled. This makes sure that as soon as someone loads your page, the slideshow will automatically move every few seconds. And you can specify those seconds right here. So for me, I'd like it to move every 10 seconds. If you want, you can also enable stop autoplay on hover. If you'd like a transition, you can apply those as well. For me, I don't need them. Now in order to change the text, simply click on the text, and the same goes for the button. Make sure you actually go over to link and that you link the button to either a page on your website or a web address, a section or anchor. You can also make it move the visitor to the top or bottom of your page. You can add a document, email, phone number, or lightbox. For me I'll do page and then about us. Then click done. And that's how to add a slider with autoplay on your Wix website. If this tutorial helped you out, please drop a like and let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.